Dixon with nScreen Media, and I'm at NAB 2017 on the IBM booth, and I'm talking to David Mowrey, who is Head of Product Watson Media. And David, you have some really exciting announcements with Watson here at the show.
Yep.
First of all, I mean, everybody probably thinks of Watson from the ads from IBM Online, but
Right.
You've done something pretty amazing with that technology. You can now access it from the cloud. So why don't you tell us what you're doing there?
Yep. So we've come a long way since Watson won Jeopardy a few years ago, as everybody remembers. We've actually extracted Watson out into the cloud and composed it into a set of APIs that can really be used in a lot of different use cases, across a lot of different industries. We're now applying it to the media and entertainment space and really trying to extract value out of video content to be used in a lot of different scenarios for media and entertainment, like content recommendations, advertising optimization, content creation process. So it's really amazing the amount of data that you have in video that's really unstructured and unavailable to content owners and distributors.
Right.
And we're trying to extract that value out for our customers.
So let's start with personalization. Can you give us an example of some of the things that Watson can help root out from the video to help with personalization?
Right, so we have a whole set of APIs that we're going to package into a metadata extraction product that we're launching. We just announced this at NAB today. So what we're doing is we're analyzing a video, pulling out keywords, sentiment, visual analysis of what's happening in the video, right? Pulling that data out into metadata so that we can provide that to a personalization engine. When personalization engines, which are really just trying to put the right content in front of the right user, when they have this extra metadata, we can see huge lifts in the engagement of video. The difference between a title and a description to a video versus all the scene segmentation and content and data that's in the video around keywords and sentiment really provides a lot more value and gets a lot more engagement within the personalization.
Talking about personalization and the commerce aspects, that's very applicable to the advertising as well, everything that you're doing there, right?
Of course. So we can take that same data, segment it up, and create audiences for the content, create higher yields for your advertising, and really provide a lot of buying and purchasing opportunities for advertisers.
So what about audience segmentation? You can really help out there by creating more targeted assets, is that right?
Yeah, exactly. So if we analyze a video and the content is, say, around sports or a specific basketball, say, right? If we can understand where in the video specific references to different pieces of content are, then we can segment that video and create an audience for just that keyword, if you will.
So Watson can actually get in and do visual recognition on the video to root out that information so
Absolutely.
that I can attach a tag?
Object recognition, facial recognition, OCR of text and logos within the video. We'll pull all that out into the metadata so that it's fully available for monetization.
And now it doesn't just stop at recognition, intelligent recognition. You can actually do content creation using this as well.
Well, it really helps in the content creation process by really understanding what's in the video and then how consumers interact with that video. Now you can say, okay, consumers really liked this aspect of that content. I need to create more of that. I'm getting a higher yield on my advertising for this certain segment of the content. Therefore, I need to create more of it.
So I think this is the first time we've really heard full artificial intelligence being applied to media like this. Is it generating lots of excitement here at the show?
It's unbelievable the traction that we're getting with it in our booth here and around NAB. We have customers coming in and talking to us about all the problems that this could solve in their video workflows and their abilities to monetize the content.
And it really marries very nicely with the IBM Cloud Video, the other cloud video infrastructure that came with companies like Clearly, for example, right?
Yep. It works really well with those platforms, but it's not those platforms aren't required for the for the Watson for Media products.
Oh, that's great. So I can come to you with, help me out with discovering more value in my media, and Watson can be applied just in that way without anything else.
Absolutely.
That's cool. Great. Well, I hope you come back and tell us a lot about some of the exciting other applications that you can apply Watson to in the future.
Awesome. Thank you, Colin.
Thanks, David.
Take care.
This has been Colin Dixon with nScreen Media.